Respectable teachers, staff, and all my dear friends, Assalamu alaikum. The topic on which I am going to talk about is Kashmir Day. Kashmir is a place that is not less than heaven. The land is surrounded by beautiful mountains with beautiful lakes and gardens of fruit. As we all know, what is the biggest intention is going in Asia is it was fixed before the partition that all the Muslims majority areas will be given to Pakistan, and similarly the remaining Hindu majority areas will be given to India. But the India doesn't want to give a beautiful area of Kashmir to Pakistan, so they sent their forces to Kashmir and occupied this Muslim majority area. The whole world was seeing what's going on here, but the world steals their eyes from this issue, and then and now they have regret about it. Every night the Kashmiri close their eyes with a dream that is not going to true from 1947. सुना है बहुत सस्ता है खून वहाँ का, सुना है बहुत सस्ता है खून वहाँ का, एक बस्ती है जिसे लोग कश्मीर कहते हैं. Just after the partition, when Pakistan acknowledged the thinking of India about the Kashmir, they appealed to the United Nations about it. There are a number of resolutions that were done by the UN on Kashmir issue, but all are in vain. As we read the books of big politicians of the world, they all have clearly written as India doesn't have to think that Kashmir is their property. As all of the Kashmiris from children to young and from young to old, they just have a single slogan on their lips. Kashmir banega Pakistan. With the partition, the Indian government sent their army to occupy Kashmir and kill everyone who wants freedom. There are thousands of Kashmiris who have lost their lives from the partition of the subcontinent. In 2014, when the government BJP came into existence, the cruelty in Kashmir increased with a great number. The world just sees what has done with non-Muslims of the world, but they can't see what is happening with the Muslims of the world. याराने जहाँ कहते हैं कि कश्मीर है जन्नत, याराने जहाँ कहते हैं कश्मीर है जन्नत, कश्मीर किसी काफिर को ना मिली है ना मिलेगी. It Pakistan's Prime Minister himself went to the UN, and there he made a historic speech that directly referred to the voice of Kashmiris. The world is standing like they are on the other planet and can't see Kashmir. Kashmiris are on the faith that it is better to die than to live life enslaved. From this, it is clear that Indians is asserting their right on the property that was never a part of India. So I would like to end to say Kashmir was not part of India and will never be, inshallah. Thank you.